when people want to know what you did on your vacation. I dug dirt and cleaned stalls and moved a bunch of rocks. Oh, and I cleaned poop too. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that this is one of my horse stalls. Yeah, I need to clean up the walls a little bit, but the biggest problem I've been having is the ground. I don't have mats in here, and unfortunately, every horse that I've had in this stall likes to use this area to pee. So no mats in the stall, and the floor of the stall being clay, just basically dirt, is not very conducive to having drainage. So I'm going to actually get some rock that was at one time our driveway, and I'm going to bring the rock in here into his stall so that I can even out the ground and make it like one level surface. That is my goal for today. I want to get that done before it gets too hot. It's already 80 degrees and it's 8:42 in the morning, so that is pretty early to be having it be this hot. So it's just going to get hotter. And this is the gravel that I want to use. This was our driveway, and we've already dug some of it out, but I'm going to dig a little bit more with the tractor and put some rock down as a base, and then I'm going to go grab some dirt from somewhere. So that is 2 bucket loads, and yes, I've got some weeds in there, so I'm going to have to pick through those, but I think this will really help to at least get a good base in here. And there's lots of rocks, which is what I wanted. So now I'm just going to dig out some of the green and the weeds and level this out. okay, that is definitely better than what it was. And my hope is that by putting some of this rock down as a base, it'll help to absorb more ammonia, so it won't smell so bad because there's not so much ammonia in here, because now there's a nice good base with some rock and some coarse dirt. That's a pretty good pile of weeds that I got. So now I have to fix where I dug all the rocks out of our driveway. And then I've got to find some good fill dirt. And I think I'm going to end up going in the creek bed because that's good dirt. Kind of sandy. So I think that'll be a good base for Jesse's stall. At least I hope it will, but I think it's already a lot better, 100% better than what it was. So now I have to go find some good dirt. Okay, so that is one bucket full of sand. Never done that before. That was kind of fun. So now I'm going to go through the sand and see how much more I need, because that's kind of scary going down a hill and going, oh crap, I got to make sure I'm not going to like tip the tractor over while I'm getting sand for a horse stall. I think I'm going to go get my wheelbarrow too, so I can get some of the debris out of the sand, because there's pine cones, pine needles, some weeds. So I'm going to go get my wheelbarrow so I can go through the sand and smooth it all out. I hope this works. It should. At least it'll be a nice base for the stall floor. Well, that is definitely better than what it was, but I think I'm going to go get one more load of sand, bring that up, but I think I'm going to take the shovel too, because I think that'll make it a lot easier, and then I can fill that bucket up pretty full with sand. Last load of sand. Still getting a couple weeds, but not bad. Mainly I want it just for this area. Really just fill in that hole. That is so much better than what it was. So much better. And I know I've showed this a million times, but this is how I like to do my horse's stalls. So these are wood pellets. They're expandable bedding, just wood pellets, but they work great for stalls and they work great with the rakes. So I don't lose a lot of bedding, but they also absorb a lot. So I'm gonna go get some water and we're gonna expand these for a minute. So with it being so warm out already, these are probably going to expand really quick. Hello, Pony. What doing? You checking me out? Yep, I see ya. Ah, they're expanding nice and quick. Hey, Pony. He's always getting into things. Mischief especially. That's why I changed his name to Al Capone. Yeah, those are expanding very nice and very quickly. So this is not going to take any time at all for me to be able to complete Jesse's stall. The ground's got all new dirt, and the rock should give it some drainage, which I'm hoping it will give it some drainage. It's only been about 2 minutes and that bag is just about fully expanded. So I can go ahead and cut the corners down. And now I can spread out the bedding and we'll see how good his stall looks. What are you doing? You checking out my handiwork? Did I do a good job? Yeah, check everything out. There might be something new in here. Well, there is. It's called dirt. And just like that, the stall is clean. Oh my gosh, that is such an improvement. So much better. What do you think, Pony? Is that better? I think that's better. Think Jesse will like it? I think so. What do you think? You're gonna go do zoomies? Yeah, gonna go do zoomies. In a little bit, huh? It's a little hot right now. Well, the footing is a lot more even now. And that was only one bag of the expandable bedding that I used. And it looks awesome. I'm proud of that. What do you think? I think it looks good. Yours is next. And that is about as real as it gets. I have sweat everywhere. Having horses at home is definitely work, but work that's worth it. So if you're enjoying this type of a video, go ahead and click that subscribe button because this is what I'm going to be doing for a while. Just to be real with you and show you what it's really like. This is as real as it gets. Me and my horses.